Anytime you see the dip up behind this. Bad up who?
Bomba clat! The confidence! Brother, you deserve every glory where you get right now. You work hard to reach where you reach, my fam. Do it, brother. Brother, keep rocking this wave, bro. Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give here with another reaction. And today, guys, here with Father Dippo. We're here with Valiant. We're here with Valley, the diplomat, big up the diplomats, with a song called Glock 40. Valiant have a process where I work with. He have a strategy where I work with, and we like it. We like it. You know what the strategy is? Listen what it is. Before him drop a song, him always promote the first two lines of the song. Him promote it so hard, you know the song even before it drop. Not saying I know this song, cause me hear the song of Glock 40, right? So the Glock 40 pa my belly, my clot, my dog shit. That part alone me know, cause that part is stuck in your head so much. He's the hottest dancehall artist right now in the space. So he's using that to his advantage. So me like it. You are capitalizing. Big word. Capitalizing. Big word. Word big, yeah. Alright, so anyway, we're gonna jump in on I hear the G. I say, let's go, Father! Film style that.
Air Force white like teaser. My clutch I got love for visa. Designer beat and cologne I create dark. Stop.
I know if a King Cam shoot this. I don't see any name in the King Cam. What I go on for you? What I go on King Cam? Eclipse group.
Air Force white like teaser. My clutch I got love for visa. Designer beat and cologne I create dark. Stop, but we can get up a notch. Yo, Falcon. Glock 40 pa my belly, my clot tip, I'm ready, shit dog shit when she ready.
Woo! Glock 40 pa my belly, my clot tip when she ready, shit dog shit when she ready. Yes, sir.
Stop, but we can get up a notch. Yo, Falcon.
Catch you at a light?
40 pa my belly, my clot tip, I'm ready, shit dog shit when she ready.
Yeah?
High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't some beat when I mix with the Remy.
When the man says she a dog shit, it no means that she literally dog shit and she smell like dog shit, you know. No! She bad! She dirty! She freaky! She's all of the above! That is what it means. You know what I mean? Got 40 on my belly. That reaction ain't gonna be long. Me telling you that now. Me not business. Leave now. It's gonna be a long one. Let's go.
Falcon. Glock 40 on my belly, my clot tip, I'm ready, shit dog shit when she ready.
Yeah.
High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't some beat when I mix with the Remy.
Yeah.
Have a million on my back part, the cash out, the stocks out, bonds non-stop.
100 million and nothing for me draw dog. Yeah, the man say more million in backpack. 100 million and nothing for him draw down, brother. So he must have a million in backpack, I walk up and down. Eh? Him must have a million. I'm turning.
High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't some beat when I mix with the Remy.
Yeah.
Have a million on my back part, the cash out, the stocks out, bonds non-stop drop. Yo, Tyreek, them 3 series now no value. But from school days over.
Hold on. Who have a 3 series? Me know say me have a 3 series. Which dancer artist have a 3 series? Me know a couple artists have a BMW still, but me know say she know have a 3 series. Well, I don't think he's showing shots at anyone in this line anyway. It's just me reaching. I'm reaching, yo. I'm reaching. That's me. I'm in that mood today. I wake up this morning choosing violence. Yes, I chose violence today. I'm here for the bullshit. I'm here for the bullshit.
Have a million on my back part, the cash out, the stocks out, bonds non-stop drop. Yo, Tyreek, them 3 series now no value. But from school days over.
Big up Oberlin. If you know, you know. Big up Oberlin. Yeah. But from school days, Oberlin.
Yo, Tyreek, them 3 series now no value. But from school days over. Fuck them girl with no sorry. She and them I see.
Fuck them girl and don't sorry. We not sorry. Fuck a boy girl. We not care, brother. We not care. We not own a man no obligation. The girl owe your obligation. And if the girl give you the pussy, you in a problem. You need for cut. You not owe you no apology, man. Fuck out of here, man. Violence.
Series now no value. But from school days over value. Fuck them girl with no sorry.
Yeah.
She and them I see. All I'm white tees. Fitting them tight jeans. Glock 40 on my belly, my clot tip. Remember the shot dog shit when you ready.
Yeah.
High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't some beat when I mix with the remedy.
Yeah.
Have a million on my back. The cash up, the stocks up, bonds non-stop drop. From my father rocking her mouth. She said me too rude.
I saw my father rocking her mouth. Where that? Father rocking her mouth. She went to...
On my back part, the cash up, the stocks up, bonds non-stop drop. I saw my father rocking her mouth.
Yeah.
She said me too rude, my name she call out. Full suit a coach whenever I walk out. Dirty behavior, not tell me about no man. None.
Dirty behavior, not tell me about no man. None. Not tell me about no man. Me no want me. More from there. More from there.
She said me too rude, my name she call out. Full suit a coach whenever I walk out. Dirty behavior, not tell me about no man. None. Some style where them no have.
Yeah.
Jimmy too nasty. Best weed get it from Cali.
I said Jimmy Choo nasty. Jimmy Choo nasty. Best weed get it from Cali. Big up myself, Cali.
Jimmy too nasty. Best weed get it from Cali. My influencer gal a Barbie. Skin tone clean and pretty like Cardi.
What I'm saying, do I? Influencer?
Jimmy too nasty. Best weed get it from Cali. My influencer gal a Barbie. Skin tone
I'm influencer gal a Barbie. Valiant, I'm gonna be honest with you. Me no want a Barbie, no. Me no want a blood clot Barbie. Me no want a Barbie. Barbie too high maintenance and I'm nothing fear about pussy. Me no want a Barbie. Me want a real woman. Yeah, me no want a Barbie. Me no want a Barbie a blood clot. Barbie you no can go on. You no can go on to Ken. Me no can.
We get it from Cali. My influencer gal a Barbie. Skin tone clean and pretty like Cardi. Uptown badness mix.
Skin tone clean and pretty like Cardi. Cardi B, matter. It's a reference to Cardi B. Cardi B, big up yourself.
Influencer gal a Barbie. Skin tone clean and pretty like Cardi. Uptown badness mixed with the 90s. Location you can't see, me can't find me.
Uptown badness mixed with the 90s. Back 'em, line, bars. Uptown badness mixed with the 90s. You don't know, man.
My influencer gal a Barbie. Skin tone clean and pretty like Cardi. Uptown badness mixed with the 90s. Location you can't see, me can't find me. Fear shot anytime you see the dip up behind this.
Man say location you can't see, you can't find me. And I said I'm a location. No, I put my phone on private.
Location you can't see, me can't find me. Fear shot anytime you see the dip up behind this. Bada boom.
Bomba clat! The confidence! Brother, you deserve every glory where you get right now. You work hard to reach where you reach, my fam. Do it, brother. Brother, keep rocking this wave, bro. Keep rocking this wave, because now it's your time. Just make use of your time when you're there, Valley. People them love you, dog. You see me? You have vibes, man, brother. We see that, dog. You see that? You see me? The man say catch flow pussy. Change him and change him flow and show him versatility. You know, death? Black clap.
Location you can't see, me can't find me. Fear shot anytime you see the dip up behind this. Bada boom.
Catch flow pussy? Yeah.
Glock 40 on my belly, my clot tip. Remember the shot dog shit when you ready. High grade lift my task more while I'm ready. I ain't listen my beat when I mix with the remedy. Have a million on my back. The cash up, the stocks up, bonds non-stop drop.
Valley is a vibe, bro. No joke.
Yo, Tyreek.
Big up yourself, Tyreek. Exit. Shane Creative. Big up yourself. The Eclipse Group. Diplomat Records. No and never. Yo. Valiant fail, brother. Valiant miss, dog. Valiant miss, brother. Valley. People need to see you in the diaspora, brother. They need to see in America, in Canada, in England, in the rest of Europe, in a Japan, in a people that need to see across the world, bro. You see me? Yeah. Valiant, bro. Bro, Valiant can't put a foot wrong, bro. The song bad, creativity bad, flow, as him say, catch flow pussy, flow bad. You see me? Lyrics bad, video that's nice and cool. Got fat on my belly, my clot, my dog, ready. Oh, I agree. What? Valiant, your fans and proud of you, my G. You see me? I'm say, your time now, so let's go on rock the wave, bro. Just know, say, yo, a year time, brother. End of 2022, going on to 2023. That is you, bro. Yeah. Valley, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Got 40 on my belt. You know if you do already. No, if on the first time here, like the video. Don't forget to like it. Bomba clock. You understand? Like it. Subscribe. King Cam, me never see another video crediting you, so obviously it's not you involved in this one. But you work bad, my G. As always, you work bad. You're coming for the last video as well. Big up yourself, my G. Anyway, got 40 on my belt.